Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe. Today I bring you a truly one-off superb Jaguar F-Pace. This particular example is the F-Pace S 3-litre V6 all-wheel drive, finished here in the Yulong white metallic colour. As an approved used vehicle, will benefit from a 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Reason why it's a one-off is because it comes with over £8,500 worth of optional extras. These will include 22-inch black alloy wheels, sliding panoramic roof, InControl Touch Pro, timed climate with remote control, cold climate pack, secure tracker, lane keep assist, privacy glass, 4-way power lumbar support, and even electric reclining rear seats. Those 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels look absolutely gorgeous, and the overall silhouette of the vehicle on the side is fully complemented by that privacy glass, giving a nice contrast to the Yulong white colour. Given the size of this F-Pace, passengers in the rear can enjoy this part Mars red leather upholstery, which looks absolutely gorgeous, featuring centre armrest of cup holders and fully illuminated by the natural light. Heated rear seats are a nice touch, and passengers in the rear will definitely enjoy them during the colder winter months. Moving over towards the rear, distinctly shaped full LED tail lights are available, and when your hands are full of shopping, the addition of a power opening and closing tailgate will definitely put a smile on your face. You can see for yourself just how much space there is for your suitcases, and that's before you fold the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also offer you a digital driver dashboard, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and the front seats will offer additional side lumbar support and plenty of adjustment being electric. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this F-Pace, it is a truly stunning experience. Decorative red stitching matches the upholstery as well, and everything's logically laid out and easy to reach. Memory function is available, as well as a Meridian sound system delivering crisp sound quality throughout the cabin. The multifunction steering wheel is also heated for added comfort and even features paddle shifters. The AWD interactive driver display has got plenty of adjustment and comes with a bespoke drive mode such as rain, ice, snow, economy mode, normal, or a dynamic mode for a more sporty, spirited drive. You can also fully change the display look of the system, for example showing full widescreen mapping view, which is ideal when traveling on unfamiliar roads. But also to keep you and all your occupants safe, there is a number of driver assistance modes available too. These will include collision avoidance, city emergency braking, as well as lane keep assist, lane departure warning. Moving over to the center console, the upgraded 10-inch infotainment screen is a joy to use. It features full built-in satellite navigation, which supports 3D and 2D view mapping, as well as Bluetooth telephony and audio for wireless media streaming. Additionally, radio stations will be delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio, with heated front seats featuring a 3-stage setting. Also, you'll be happy to know there's full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interface support, and the dynamic configurable dynamics will allow you to play around with the feel of the vehicle too. ASI all-surface information will let you know what the four-wheel drive system is doing at any given moment, and to help you park, rear view camera will feature even a wide-angle view and is fully supported by audible and visual front and rear parking sensors. Moving down the cabin, easy to operate 2-zone climate control system is available via physical shortcuts and even features a heated front windscreen for the frosty months. Loads of cubbyhole storage, cup holders, and a deep center armrest will feature USB connectors for keeping your devices topped up, whilst the electronics sunshade blind and reclining roof at a single push of a button can be reclined back, letting in light, and also a quick breast will slightly tilted open. Pressing it again will fully retract the glass and give you a nice breezy feel. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace S all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.